Hello friends, this is Ganesh. Please watch my previous videos. Link has been provided in the description. In this video, we are going to see Hive installation. Step 1. We need to download and extract Hive tarball from the repository. First, we need to switch to the directory where we usually download our tar files. Then, using wget command, we need to download the Hive tar file. Then we are extracting the tar file using tar-xz-vf command. Then we are creating a symbolic link Hive for the extracted folder. Step 2. We need to add Hive environment variables in bash RC. We are adding Hive home, Hive config in bash RC, and we use source.bashrc to comment the changes in bash RC file. Step 3. We need to create directories required for Hive in HDFS. We are creating warehouse directory and temp directory. After creating directories, we are providing write permission to the group. Then we are creating a folder in local file system to download the MySQL connector, which is required to connect our Hive Metastore. In our previous video, we created Hive Metastore database in MySQL server. Step 4. We need to download MySQL connector and place it in Hive library folder. By executing command cd, we will be moving to home directory. In home directory, we have created MySQL folder already. So we are switching to that folder. After switching to that MySQL connector folder, we are downloading the MySQL connector from the repository and using dpkg command, we are extracting the MySQL connector in the location /user/java. After extracting the MySQL connector, we are copying it to the Apache Hive library folder, which is required to connect Hive Metastore and MySQL server for Hive Metastore purpose. Step 5. We are copying a Goa jar file from Hadoop directory to Hive library folder to avoid few errors during Hive startup. After copying the jar file, we rename the old jar file for backup purpose. Step 6. We need to configure Metastore credentials in our Hive-site.xml. We will have Hive-default.xml template in our hive conf folder, which is opt/hive/conf. We need to rename that to hive-site.xml. After renaming, we need to configure these tags with the required value we already generated. Sample has been provided in the GitHub URL provided in description. Then we need to start Hive Metastore. First we are checking the JPS command. It is showing all our HDFS and Yarn services are running. Then using NoHub, we are running the Metastore with the command hive-service metastore. Once the hive metastore has been started, it will run in the port 9083. We could find 9083 port is running. Also we could find a new service runjar is running while we execute JPS. After successfully starting Hive Metastore, we could invoke the Hive client using the command hive. Once we enter hive in command prompt, it will invoke the Hive client. By default, MapReduce will be the engine for Hive, so it is showing Hive on MR. We could execute the command show databases and find the default database available. To exit the Hive client, we need to execute the command exit. That's all for the video. Please subscribe to the channel and share the channel. Thank you. Have a good day.